Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. So today in this video, this is not about our website video, but it's all about the CAPTCHA. Yes, so yesterday I have posted a video on how to deal with CAPTCHA if we have the CAPTCHA in our application. So how can we handle it? How can we handle it as part of the performance testing? Say for example, like yes, CAPTCHA do come to increase the security of our application. Yes, and we have even discussed that in a separate video. And yesterday in a video we saw about how to disable it, but then I got an comment for the previous video that asking for a real-time example on how to do it, right? So as a performance engineer and as a DevOps engineer and a platform engineer, I can help you in that part. So what I'm going to show you today is we have this website that you see now here is our website, the littleslawacademy.github.io. So actually this, just to give you a quick glimpse, so actually why we are having this website is in case if you are a beginner or if you're an intermediate in terms of JMeter or in terms of near-load or in terms of load runner, you can actually go through this channel and you can actually select the videos. You can actually see a lot of videos here, and they'll help you to walk you through the videos like this. So it'll actually take you to the videos. They'll be more helpful for you. And for example, if you want to learn JMeter end to end, and if you want to learn JMeter from end to end from English or Tamil or any free boot camps that we conduct as part of Little Slaw, you can very well watch that using this website, using this page. They'll help you to navigate through those options. So coming, okay, again, like here, if you want to, if you're a beginner, you can just watch any of these videos, like how to get a Apache JMeter root certificate or how JMeter works. So everything comes you handy. So please try to check out my website. So it is littleslawacademy.github.io. And now coming back to this original content. So what we are seeing here is, so I have a feedback section as at the bottom of the page, and I even have donate button. If you are interested, please do donate to support our channel. And coming back to this feedback part, so here I have a section where I can enter. I want to enter if you're like happy, if you want to enter your feedback on how our Little Slide YouTube channel goes. So yeah, an overall observation is like, yep, really helpful. It's a kind of a message that you want to send me. And then here, this part is actually a kind of a CAPTCHA. It's a kind of a mathematical CAPTCHA which I have created, which is most of the scenarios it will be part of your application. Like this is one of the example. Like in fact, in our next video, we'll see how to disable the Google reCAPTCHA, but this one is again a kind of a text CAPTCHA. Again, you can see this in some of the examples, some of your applications as well. So that's the reason I have brought you this, because there were like several versions of CAPTCHA. We have several types of CAPTCHA. We have, so we'll see one by one. Yes, we have a lot of time, so we'll see them one by one. But in this example, say for example, like if I'm entering 16, which is not the right answer, and when I click on send, it tells me clearly that it's an incorrect CAPTCHA, and it asks me to please try again. But if I enter the right answer, it will allow me to send this message. So here it shows that the form was submitted successfully, and it asks me to go back. So this is how the CAPTCHA works. And now I will show you how to disable it. So let me go back to my code. I'm opening my Visual Studio Code, and here uh, this part I'll explain you clearly in a separate one as part of this video. But here this is the one which I have for this CAPTCHA part. So I have a text CAPTCHA where I was supposed to enter my answer, and I aligned it to the center part. So all these are like alignments which basically comes with the code. But here is the main thing, which is like JavaScript for text CAPTCHA. So I've written a function. I mean, this is how basically it works if you are having a separate application for this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable this CAPTCHA part. So for that, what I'm going to do is let me disable it. Cut and remove it. Remove this as well. And then, yep. So all the CAPTCHA part, the enabled part is disabled, right? And then I'm going to disable this part. So for that, I'm having this code here. Sorry. So this is the section that starts for disabling the CAPTCHA. And here what I'm doing is I'm not displaying it. So I have a CAPTCHA, I have this function, but I don't want to display that. So that's another way of doing it. And then I have my CAPTCHA here, and let me get this one as well. So yeah, all this involves coding, and yeah, you can talk with the developers, your DevOps engineers like me. You can talk with us, and you can get it sorted out. Yeah, both performance testers. In case if you are a performance engineer who have access to the code in for the development environment, for the staging environment, yes, you can very well do it on your own. But make sure you're not disturbing any other functionalities. It should go only with the uh, captcha part, right? So now what I did is I have disabled the captcha, right? So the next thing is, yeah, let me just commit this code. Disabled captcha for testing. Then let me commit and push this code. Let's go back to the application here. Yep, and click on actions. Yes, so my changes are building now. And yeah, so in case, yeah, if you're someone who is interested to learn about DevOps topics, yep, I'll share you the details. My DevOps Studios channel has been closed, or it has been terminated by YouTube for some reason. I'm not aware of that, but I will come up with a new channel name, and I will share you that very soon. And yep, coming back to this part, so I have built, I'm deploying the change, I'm deploying the code, whatever I have deployed here. Yep, again, GitHub deployment, building, all these DevOps related topics are very much interesting. If you're interested, please do give a thumbs up and please do comment in the comment section. Yep, so now the code is deployed, now it is done. So let's go back to the Little Slow YouTube channel, and when I refresh it, yep, so here you can see, so previously when you were seeing, you saw the captcha part, right? So now you don't see that. So let's send captcha disabled successfully, right? And let me click on send. So since the captcha has been disabled, now you are able to record your application easily, right? So there is completely no captcha. And in fact, there is another option where you can give any answers. You don't need to give the right answer, you can give any answers, and you can run your application. So like that, we are actually doing several items here, like where we can try several items. So this is the first thing, like, so what, let me actually show you. So let me show you the code. So this is the one that I have used for disabling the captcha. This is the one that I have used for this is the one that I have used for enabling the captcha. This is the one which I have used for disabling. So let me just show you. Set as first to compare. Okay, sorry. Yep, and then compare. Yep. So here on the left side, you're seeing the captcha part. So this is required. So here it shows it's required. I need a placeholder there. The user has to enter the answer here, right? So that's the captcha part. So where you have to enter the answer. And then here at the bottom, I have a separate JavaScript function where I have the math function, and I'm giving up some random numbers, but still I wanted to have the right answer. So that's how I've written all these code here, where I have to validate, and once uh, the answer that is right, only then it will allow me to submit, right? So here it shows I have to validate the captcha. So actually you don't, if you actually ignore that, if you actually remove that validate captcha, automatically the validation will not happen. And there are like several options, I would say. It's not just about what I have given here in the code. There are several logics you can implement, but still at the end of the day, as a performance engineer, as a performance tester, all we want to see is disabling the captcha. So that's what we're going to see here. So instead of disabling here, I have completely displayed, like I have removed it. I've removed that I've made to display to none, and then I have disabled the captcha. I have disabled all these functions. So you can try all these. Like I told you, there are several options. It's not just about one logic. It's very simple. Like if you remove the validate captcha here, automatically you can submit the answers. You will have the numbers. You can submit the numbers, but you won't see the results. So that's how you can try it. So like this, there are several other options. In our next video, I'll show you with the same application, I'll show you how to disable the Google verification part. And also we'll see that other techniques where how you can access the applications, how you can use the applications to how you can enable or disable the captcha, how you can mitigate the captcha issue, and you can use it for your application. Yep. So with that, I come to an end of this video, and I believe this video would be very, very useful to you. And I should really thank the subscriber who has asked this question. Thank you so much, so much. I really wanted to make this video, but I thought of making it video after some point of time. But since you have been insisted, I am really, really happy. Please don't feel bad for asking this type of questions. Please do ask any questions that you have. I'm really happy to answer all of your questions if I have time. And thank you so much for asking this question. And more videos are coming on. If you have any doubts or any queries, if you're feeling some blockers in your day-to-day activities, please do post in the comment section. I'm really happy to help you. Thank you so much again for asking this question, and see you all in the next video. Take care until I meet you in the next video. It's me, your son Shanmugam. I'm taking a break. I wish you all a very good day, and thank you all, and see you all in the next video. Take care, and bye bye.